Facts of the case were that there was harassment by the mother-in-law, that is Petrosina, to her daughter-in-law Samantha, due to which on 29/8/2023 she lit herself on fire by putting kerosene on her own body. So her husband was abroad at that time. He came down subsequently, and by that time the body was in the morgue. Now the worst thing is the body is still in the morgue. That is was claimed by the husband, because we wanted to conduct the last rites, but still it is not being done. The body is still awaiting the last rites. That is first thing. Secondly, the offence comes to be registered much later, after 3 months' time, after interference of certain, I think, political issues and NGOs. But whatever it is, police have gone ahead with their investigation, and a detailed reply was filed. It was argued by us, and after which it was the bail application was granted today. Samantha has expired on 30/8/2023 in GMC after the incident on 29. She is has a daughter of 4 years old who is with the husband and the mother-in-law presently. My only request, now that I have got an opportunity to come before media, my only request is, see, we are an independent body. This is a court of law. We are not siding anybody. Now, I am a defense lawyer. There is a public prosecutor. We argue and we get the orders as per law. And there is a judge who decides upon the merits of the case before giving any decision. So my only request to people is, let the trials not be social media trials. Let it not be a Facebook trial. Let it not be an Instagram trial. Let it be a court trial. You don't come to conclusions during Facebook and say that she was guilty, she should be hanged, she should be killed. This is not the right thing. We also are human beings. We also have a particular side. It is not that you people know everything who are on Facebook. So therefore, it's my humble request that let these trials not be social media trials. Let the courts who are there appointed especially for this run the trials and come to some conclusions.
My client Petrosina Fernandez was charged under IPC 304B for dowry death of Ms. Samantha Fernandez, that is her daughter-in-law. So she had received a notice under 41A CRPC from Maina Kurdori police station to be present on 5th December 2023. So on 3rd she received the notice, and simultaneously we filed an application on anticipatory bail to Honorable Sessions Court, South Goa, and it was for arguments. The last argument was yesterday, and it was kept for orders today at 12, and the anticipatory bail has been granted for Petrosina Fernandez.
What are the conditions?
The conditions for the bail are the personal bond of 50,000 has to be produced. She has to be present whenever called by the IO at the police station. No threatening or no tampering with the evidence. No leaving country until the prior orders from the court. The passport has to be deposited before this Honorable Sessions Court.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट अँड सेशन्स कोर्टान आयज पात्रोशिना फेर्नांदीस नुवे गांवची एका एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ग्रांट केला. पात्रोशिनाचेर एलिगेशन आसा की तिणी आपली सुनीक 29 ऑगस्टाक उजो घातलो आनी 30 ऑगस्ट तिची सून सामंता हे संवसाराक ओतरली. उपरांत सामंताची आवय आना मारिया डायस हिणे मायना कुर्तरी हेजेर पुलीस कंप्लेन केल्लें की डवरी आनी हॅरेसमेंट करून पात्रोशिना फेर्नांदीस हिणे आपले धुवेक सामंताक मारली म्हूण. उपरांत पात्रोशिना फेर्नांदीस हिणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट अँड सेशन कोर्टान एंटिसिपेटरी बेल एप्लाय केल्ली आनी जायती सुनावणी जाल्या उपरांत आयज डिस्ट्रिक्ट अँड सेशन्स कोर्टान तिका एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ग्रांट केल्या. प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर मडगांव सावन सावियो डायस.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.